A hearty welcome to this clinical research course offered and facilitated by Jahangir Center for Learning.
Welcome to the module which will take you through an introduction to clinical research, overview of the phases in clinical trials, the key players involved, and responsibilities of each. New tests and treatments are not offered to general public as soon as they are made. They need to be studied. A clinical trial is a type of research which studies a test or treatment given to people. Clinical trials study how safe and helpful tests and treatments are. When found to be safe and helpful, they may become tomorrow's standard of care. Clinical research is a systematic study for new drugs in human subjects. These studies are required to generate data to assess the clinical, pharmacological, or adverse effects of any new drug. Clinical trials are performed with an objective to determine the safety and efficacy of new drugs. There are different types of clinical researches depending on what the researchers are studying. Let us look at these different types of clinical researches. Treatment trials are used to test new treatments. These generally involve an intervention such as medication, psychotherapy, new devices, or new approaches to surgery or radiation therapy. Prevention trials look for new ways to keep people healthy or keep a disease from returning. Different kinds of prevention research may study medicines, vitamins, vaccines, minerals, or lifestyle changes. Diagnostic trials. These trials look for better ways to diagnose a disease. For example, such studies are carried out on new tests to find and track diseases. Screening trials. These trials aim to find the best ways to detect certain disorders or health conditions. Quality of life trials explores ways to improve comfort and the quality of life for individuals with a chronic illness. Phases of clinical trials are Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, and Phase 4. We shall look at the details of these phases moving further. Let us have an overview with respect to the number of years involved in developing a new drug. The preclinical studies, which assess safety and biological activity in animals, may take around 6.5 years to be completed, wherein 5,000 compounds are tested. Out of these, 5 drugs which may show some potential enter into clinical research or clinical trials. Based on preclinical studies, an investigational new drug, that is an IND application, is submitted to the regulatory authorities to seek permission to conduct clinical trials. Next, phase 1 trials takes around a year and a half for completion. Phase 2 studies may take around 2 years of time. And phase 3 trials may take around 3.5 years of time for completion. So, in all, clinical trials may take up to 7 years for the completion. So, maybe out of 5 drugs which have entered into the clinical trials, only one drug will be approved. After completion of clinical trials, a new drug application, that is NDA, is filed to the regulatory authorities to seek permission for marketing of the drug. And once the drug is approved for marketing, then the additional post-marketing studies, also called as the phase 4 studies, may be required by the regulatory authorities.